Now, the question number 48 relates to organic chemistry. The question goes like this. Predict the possible number of alkenes and the main alkene that is formed. That is a major alkene. There are number of alkenes can be formed as some few as minor products and few as only one of them will have a large proportion in the product availability. So, it should be one is the main alkene or the major alkene that is formed in the following reaction. The compound that is given is actually an amine. It is like this. Then this is actually the alkene that is produced 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us not worry about the name of the amine. This is the secondary amine that is produced. This is subjected to, normally olefins can be formed by two types of eliminations. One is known as the Zaitsev elimination, the other one is known as the Hoffman elimination. A Zaitsev elimination will give a more substituted olefin and Hoffman elimination gives a less substituted olefin. In this case, it is a case of Hoffman elimination. So, the first thing to be conveyed by means of this equation is, it is an example of Hoffman elimination reaction. And what is actually given, the reaction conditions are all given in the question paper. Treated with excess methyl iodide, and it did not write this, it is treated with excess methyl iodide and then moist silver oxide and heat. Moist silver oxide and then heat. That is actually the question that is given. It is subjected to heating. So, what actually happens is, when it is treated with excess methyl iodide, this will form the one hydrogen will be replaced by a methyl group, and there will also be another methyl group that is introduced, so that you will get with the excess methyl iodide will form the corresponding silver iodide. I mean not silver iodide, corresponding ammonium iodide. This ammonium iodide on reaction with moist silver oxide will form ammonium hydroxide, which on heating will give rise to the olefin. The question asked is number of alkenes that can be formed and the major alkene that is likely to be produced. The major alkene that is likely to be produced is from this part, namely ethylene. That is actually the major product. Then the two olefins that can be formed is, this is alpha, this is the beta hydrogen, there is a beta hydrogen. Therefore, one olefin that can be formed is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, one olefin that will be formed is by the loss of this hydrogen, which corresponds to this. Another olefin that can be formed will be this. So, three olefins will be formed, 1, 2 and then ethylene. So, these are the three olefins that will be formed, and the major olefin formed will be the least substituted olefin. Among the olefins, the least substituted olefin is only ethylene. Therefore, the choice that corresponds with all the three will be 3 and ethylene. That is actually given as choice C. Therefore, the correct choice for that question is 3 and ethylene. So, this is the one. What are the three? This is 1, this is 2 and this is 3, and the major one is what? Ethylene. So, that is what is being given as this. So, the answer for this is C.